Hello guys, it's a mid-US update. Again, different scenario this time. Piotr here. This is Forex Global YouTube channel. You know, when you have this type of the sunset, right, so you simply cannot sit and wait watching the charts, right? Sometimes you have to go out and enjoy what is going on, right? But we are here to discuss the mid-US update. Well, nothing extraordinary, to be honest with you. From the FX perspective, especially when we are talking about the dollar, the bulls of the dollar might be a little bit disappointed, right? Because of what we've seen post non-farm payrolls Friday, right? So there is today there is no continuation. We haven't seen any kind of the continuation. Well, maybe tomorrow, maybe today we are going to have this tiny inside bar. You know what I'm talking about. It's gonna be worth to watch the daily close from that perspective. And of course, if it's necessary, I'm going to make the update. Still think that we are going to get some kind of the resolution towards the end of the week, and we will start the new year 2020 with some kind of the clear direction, right? Don't forget, guys, especially Wednesday and Thursday, right? So we are 48 hours ahead of the FOMC and less than 72 hours ahead of the European Central Bank, right, decision. So busy weekend. Probably that's the last week of 2019 with the good liquidity. So the big boys, I do expect the big boys are going to settle some trades. So well, Thursday, Friday, some kind of the unusual activity is very possible. On the other hand, cable, there was a run through the Friday high, right, with strong rejection. Now, what is important, the good thing you may observe, and probably if you watch this morning majors update, you know what I'm talking about. If you are going to watch to the left and the previous high, right, we just tested and we are leaving the upper shadow right now. Well, hopefully from the seller's perspective it's gonna to hold. On the other hand, the buyers, you know, there is a less and less time, right, towards the end of the day. So the buyers have to push through, and would be great from the buyer's perspective to close at least 30 pips above. So tomorrow retest and continuation to the upside. And as far as I remember right now, the 33.50 could be the case. We are trading below 32, 31.75, so the psychological 130 could be the key here. Dollar yen, it's the only cross right now where I'm looking to sell the dollar, actually, right? If you remember, we were discussing Friday price action. Unfortunately, they didn't get that high. They didn't hit the levels I've been waiting for. Well, maybe next time. But it's a very good thing here that when we are talking that I'm looking to sell the dollar yen, right, that I'm looking to buy actually yen, maybe Canadian JPY could be the solution for you. Also Euro JPY, I'm looking for a breakthrough 120, right? You remember I've been short few times from the higher levels, from 120 70, 120 80, and again they are trading down right now to 120. Okay, waiting for some kind of the move to the upside on the Euro JPY, and I will try to fade again. I do expect some profit taking maybe ahead of the European Central Bank rate decision. So in that case we might see a little bit move higher. Going back to euro dollar, I think that the important levels are those two post ISM non-manufacturing. Remember, we are shorting this spike and the pre-non-farm payrolls high. In case we can go and close above, that might change a bit. Of course, two consecutive daily close above, that's what the bulls should look for. All right, in that case. Anyway, indices, we are right now rejecting when we are talking about the Nasdaq. So again, some kind of the over-under formation looks like it's going on. Well, nice rejection, but I want to see move through the Friday low, move through the lower shadow and close below. That would be some kind of the nice confirmation, a nice confirmation for me. All right, guys. Anyway, that's it from my side. That was mid-US session update. All right, let's have a look what we are going to get closer toward the end of the US session, and I'm gonna make an update if necessary, guys. Peace.